Hi everyone. Welcome to our deep dive into the world of cybersecurity. If you've ever wondered how your bank keeps your balance secret or how hospitals protect your private health records, you're thinking about confidentiality. In cybersecurity, we often talk about the CIA Triad. No, not that CIA. It stands for confidentiality, integrity, and availability. These are the three pillars that keep our digital lives safe. Today, we are focusing entirely on the first pillar, confidentiality. Simply put, confidentiality is the principle of ensuring that sensitive information is only accessed by people who have the right to see it. It's the digital version of a need-to-know basis. So, how do we actually keep data a secret in a world full of hackers? We use a combination of technical and administrative controls. First, there's encryption. This is the process of scrambling readable data into a mess of random characters. Without a specific digital key, that data is useless to anyone who steals it. Next, we have access controls. This is where we define who gets to enter the digital room. It involves authentication, proving you are who you say you are, and authorization, checking if you actually have permission to view that specific file. We also use multi-factor authentication, or MFA. You've probably used this when a website sends a code to your phone. This ensures that even if a hacker steals your password, they still can't break the seal of confidentiality because they don't have your physical device. Let's look at some examples to see this in action. First, online banking. When you log into your bank account, your browser creates a secure tunnel to the bank's server using a protocol called HTTPS. This uses high-level encryption to protect your data while it's in transit. Imagine you're in a coffee shop using public Wi-Fi. Without confidentiality measures, anyone else on that network could sniff the airwaves and see your password. But because of encryption, all they see is gibberish. Your financial privacy stays intact because the data is confidential from the moment it leaves your phone until it reaches the bank. Now, let's talk about healthcare. Hospitals store incredibly sensitive data. Confidentiality here is managed through strict access levels. A receptionist at the front desk might need to see your name and appointment time to check you in, but they don't need to see your blood test results or surgical history. Confidentiality ensures that only your specific doctor has the key to see those medical details. In the corporate world, confidentiality protects data at rest. Think of a tech giant's secret source code or a soda company's secret recipe. These are stored on encrypted hard drives. Even if a physical thief walks out of the building with the server, the information remains confidential because they cannot bypass the encryption without the master key. What happens when confidentiality fails? We call this a data breach. When confidentiality is lost, it leads to identity theft, where your personal details are sold on the dark web. For businesses, it can mean a loss of competitive advantage if their trade secrets are leaked. And let's not forget the legal side. Under laws like GDPR or HIPAA, companies can face millions of dollars in fines for failing to keep user data private. Confidentiality isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a legal and ethical requirement. To wrap up, confidentiality is the shield that protects our secrets in a digital age. It uses encryption, access controls, and smart policies to make sure that private data stays private. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, let me know. Would you like me to create a similar deep dive transcript for integrity or availability, the other two parts of the CIA Triad?